see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
What the heck is that? Is that a stingray? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a bus tour. This is day 2 in Okinawa and I have Tommy here.
It's me.
Tommy's world. Well, we are going to be on the road for the entire day and we're going to so many places. We're going to Sukuri Island, we're going to the Okinawa Aquarium, some aquarium, I don't remember the name of the place. We're going to Pineapple Park, we're going to Cape Manza. What is Cape Manza again?
I don't know. Basically, we're doing all of the top spots in Okinawa. It's going to take us all day. Even though last night we came in late because it was Christmas. So we had to get up 6 this morning. But when the alarm went off, we didn't.
Almost 7 o'clock and we had to be rushing and all of that. And guys, can you imagine we pay for hotel and the people them don't have any iron? So now I have to wear crushed clothes.
And the bathroom is so small. Since we're complaining, let's pile on.
Well, it's okay for me. It's bigger than my bag.
She live in a matchbox in Tokyo, so she don't count.
I live in
It's
Yokohama.
literally probably a half size more than her bathroom.
But it's big enough for me. I don't know about her.
I'm big. It's not big enough for me at all.
Entire day we're gonna be on the road, just driving around in this bus.
Okinawa what?
We thought that this is just day 2, you know. She said that everyone thinks that Okinawa is hot, but the thing is, when we say hot, we mean it's a buzzing, you know, very interesting place. But this is just day 2, you know, so we can't really knock it yet because we haven't.
When I say hot, I mean the temperature. It's cold.
That's what you mean?
Yeah, what you talking about? I'm done. Woo.
Location number 1, which is the Pineapple Park. So we're gonna enjoy this place for about 30 minutes and then we have to get back on the bus. We're in the Pineapple Park thingy and guess what? It's driving by itself.
I'm here drive, should I?
Hello girl, stop to lie. Anyways guys, look on the cart there. There is nobody in it.
It's still dangerous to stand up in the car
Woo!
or get in and out of the vehicle while it's running. Do you know where the name pineapple comes from?
No, we
Well,
don't.
actually, it's just a combination of pine and apple.
What?
You know, as in pine trees and
Oh.
apple pie.
Okay.
The fruit looks sort of like a pine cone, and it has a sweet, delicious taste, like an apple. So they just call them pine apples.
This is a beautiful
and those
place.
grown for
Very
legs.
beautiful.
There are about
But it's
2,000
chilly.
types. And
Please, I'm
out
cold.
of that number,
So I
only
have on my
around
jacket
You just
here.
have a
200
cool
are
blood. Please
eatable.
don't cool.
Let's head over to the spider monkey
What
first.
the hell? The tour is finished, guys. It was very short, but yeah, I guess we can go and explore the area now.
Damn.
Not.
Manaba Mamos, goody.
Told me you not drive the cart. You not drive. You make me
Boom,
drive.
boom, movie girl, cock up. Yeah, guys, so we just finished with the tour and now we're getting off. We're gonna see what's next. We're gonna take some fun pictures.
Go on, girl, Tommy. Go on, girl. Yes, girl. Alrighty guys, so in this garden thingy and we're gonna be taking pictures. Alright, come on Tommy, let's go. Grandma here is just rushing me. Come on grandma. Alright Tommy, come on. Guys, she's leaving me. Alright, come on. I'm trying to exit here so that I can head back to the bus. Where's the bus? Where do I exit? I don't know. Exit, okay, it says exit. Alright, so I'm gonna exit now so that I can head back to where the bus is, because it's gonna be leaving in 5 minutes and it's gonna leave without me if I'm not there. Okay, yeah. But this place is beautiful, yo. Look at this. Can you believe that Tommy left me and went back to the bus, and I could not find the exit, so I got lost here and the bus almost left me. Luckily I saw a couple that was also on the bus and they could not find the bus either, so all three of us tried until we made it to the bus. This is attraction number 2. We're at Kuri Island. This is a very famous island in Okinawa. So we're gonna be exploring this area for about 30 minutes. Tommy is behind. Where's Tommy? So well, Tommy was behind me. So we're gonna be exploring this area for about 30 minutes and then we have to head back on the bus. I'm not sure where we're going next, but we have a lot of places to go in this one bus tour, so it's definitely worth it. It's very windy, it's sunny, it's not that cold like on mainland, but like cold bumps. Can't see the cold bumps on my skin. Hey guys, I'm cold. It's windy, but it's actually very nice. We found sugar cane, but them skinny though. Hello girl, mine is I was not here. One told me.
Sato kiwi.
I want.
砂糖キビ。
少々待ってください。
ガイドさんどこ行ったかな。お客さんがちょっと。
Yes, told me we need sugar cane.
Do they
Sell?
sell these sugar cane?
Yes, supposed to. It's in a store, I think.
What's to go? It's so popular in Jamaica.
Oh, is yes, it? Yes.
Oh, okay.
If you like.
Oh, can I get it cut? Like,
More shorter? I mean,
oh no, like the skin cut off. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So two. Yes, cut.
Sugar cane はジャマイカ。めっちゃすごいですね。はい。
じゃあすごい。
We found sweet surprise.
How much?
200 yen.
300円っていうかな。300円です。
Oh, 300. Okay.
Oh, not even.
Where's the Tommy? The sugar cane sweet, yeah. Yes, guys, we got it cut and everything.
Sweet like that one X there on my runway.
Oh boy. Oh,
No, crap that in there. Crap that in there.
I ain't cutting.
That's it. It's there.
This is a closer view of Kuri Island, very famous island in Japan. Alright guys, so we're here in Kuri Island. Take 2. So we are now at the Okinawa Aquarium. We're gonna be here for about 3 hours. Told me somewhere in the back, but yeah. So we're gonna be having lunch here somewhere. It's Patrick and his girlfriend. I've never seen a starfish in real life. Cafe called Ocean Blue Cafe. Tony told me already started eating. I'm gonna check and see what's on the menu. Oh, and then I'm gonna go eat something. But look at this. This is literally our view. Isn't that cool? Look at this thing, yo. Anyways, guys, I got this. What is this called? Rice burger thingy, and I got this non-alcoholic drink. The menu is very limited. It has a like pork and stuff, but I don't eat pork, so I had to settle for this right here. Yeah, so we're gonna eat and then we're gonna explore the area some more. Have you ever had a rice burger? What the heck is that? Is that a stingray? Oh, that's scary. What the hell is that, man? There's another one. There's another one. Anyways, back to my food. This is rice with beef, but they made like a burger thing with it. It's okay, you know?
See me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
So we're just finished here at the aquarium. We just took some cute pictures.
Yeah,
so
we
we'll like
met
insert
up.
them soon.
Yeah, we met up with some Jamaicans as well, so we did like a video. I'm gonna insert that as well.
A little tickety top.
Yes.
Baby, come give me something.
We are talking about copyright. Well, we'll try to insert it, but guys, don't come for me because I can't dance. Anyways, we're gonna
head back to the bus.
Yes, that thing. One told me spend that money. Spend that 100 yen. And buy those things.
You make me nervous.
Go on, girl, go on.
No, you're making me nervous. Stop make the whole world watch me.
I get a dramatic, you see?
No, you're gonna make me don't win.
I'm gonna give you all
How
the
it
love.
work?
You have to push, I think probably push to start.
If you're wrong, you're gonna pay me back, you know.
Come in and know me, though. I don't never go arcade. Come, carry this way, this way.
Win, you see me?
Yes, I gave you good luck, girl.
Move.
So we're at this little department store kind of thing.
Yeah, doing a little bit of omiyage shopping.
Yeah. So we're gonna be here for like 30 minutes and then we have to give up on the bus. But look at our view outside though. Yeah. So
You're my best view.
what was
You
it?
was a man.
I forgot my line.
You're my best view.
Yeah. We're at Cape Manza. This is where I'm gonna be ending the vlog because it has been a very long day and this is the final stop on this bus tour. So guys, please remember to like, comment and subscribe and catch you later. Bye.
And from half
I miss this.